Did you know that matte lipstick has a history that goes way back? It's not just a modern trend. Let's take a quick trip back in time. In the 1920s, the flapper era, a bold, defined lip was all the rage. Women wanted a lipstick that wouldn't smudge while they were out dancing the Charleston all night. The look was sharp, precise, and had a velvety, non-shiny finish. This was the birth of the matte look we know and love. Think of those iconic silent film stars with their perfect Cupid's bow lips. That was achieved with early versions of matte lipstick. It was all about creating a dramatic, lasting look that could withstand the hot studio lights and long filming days. Fast forward to the 1940s, during World War II, makeup became a symbol of patriotism and resilience. Women were encouraged to put their best face forward. Long-lasting lipstick was essential for women working in factories and on farms. They needed a product that stayed put through long, tough days. The matte finish was practical. It didn't transfer easily and required fewer touches. This era cemented lipstick, particularly long-wear formulas, as a staple for the everyday woman. It wasn't just for glamour anymore. It was about feeling confident and put together no matter the circumstances. Then came the 1990s, a major turning point for matte lipstick. This decade was all about minimalism and a more natural yet defined look. The supermodels of the era rocked deep browns, burgundies, and nude matte lips. This is when long-wear matte formulas really started to advance. Brands began developing liquid lipsticks that dried down to a completely transfer-proof finish. It was a game changer. You could sip your coffee, have a meal, and go about your day without constantly worrying about your lipstick fading or smudging. The 90s made matte lips cool, sophisticated, and accessible to everyone. So, how does this all relate to your face type? Well, matte lipstick is incredibly versatile because it doesn't reflect light. It creates a very clean, defined shape. This is fantastic for sculpting your lips. If you want to make your lips appear fuller, you can slightly overline them with a matte liner and fill them in with a matching matte lipstick. The flat finish makes the overlining look more natural and less obvious than a glossy finish would. It's like a magic trick for your lips, giving you the power to subtly reshape them. For those with naturally full lips, a matte finish can provide a very chic, sophisticated look. A bold matte red or a deep berry can be a powerful statement without being overwhelming, as a glossy version might be. It draws attention to your lips in a very elegant way. If you have thinner lips, you don't need to shy away from matte formulas. The key is the precision that matte lipstick offers. It allows you to be the artist of your own face. Now, let's talk about the modern long-wear matte lipstick. Today's formulas are nothing short of incredible. They've come a long way from the drying lipsticks of the past. Modern mattes are often infused with hydrating ingredients like vitamin E or hyaluronic acid. This means you can get that beautiful, velvety finish without your lips feeling like the Sahara Desert. They are lightweight, comfortable, and seriously light. We're talking hours and hours of wear. The best part is the confidence that comes with it. When you apply a long-wear matte lipstick in the morning, you can pretty much forget about it. There's no constant checking in the mirror, no worrying about it ending up on your teeth or your chin. You can eat, drink, talk, and live your life knowing your lip color is locked in place. It's that reliability that makes it such a go-to product for busy days, special events, or any time you just want to feel effortlessly polished. It's a small thing, but it can make a huge difference in your day. So, from the rebellious flappers to the resilient women of the 40s and the chic supermodels of the 90s, matte lipstick has always been about more than just color. It's about expression, endurance, and confidence. It allows you to define your look on your own terms and for your specific features. Whether you want to create the illusion of fuller lips, rock a bold statement color, or just have a reliable, no-fuss product for everyday wear, Longwear Matte Lipstick has you covered. It's a timeless classic that has truly earned its place in every makeup bag. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this little journey through lipstick history interesting. See you next time.